Are you one of the many people who spend long hours working on a computer? If so, you may be at risk of developing various health problems such as back and neck pain, headaches, and poor posture. But don't worry, in this video, we will explore how to sit correctly while working on a computer to reduce the risk of these health problems. The first step in sitting correctly while working on a computer is to adjust your chair height. Ensure that your feet are flat on the floor and your knees are level with your hips. This will help to reduce the strain on your lower back and improve your posture. It is crucial to sit with your back straight and your shoulders relaxed. Avoid slouching or leaning forward, as this can cause strain on your neck and upper back. Using a chair with good lumbar support will help to maintain the natural curve of your lower back and reduce the risk of back pain. If your chair doesn't have lumbar support, consider using a small pillow or cushion to support your lower back. Adjust your monitor height so that the top of the screen is at or slightly below eye level. This will help to reduce strain on your neck and shoulders. Position your keyboard and mouse so that they are close to your body and at the same height. This will help to reduce strain on your shoulders and arms. Taking frequent breaks is crucial for reducing the risk of health problems associated with sitting for long periods. Stand up, stretch, and walk around every 30 to 60 minutes to improve circulation and reduce muscle tension. Using a footrest can help to improve your posture and reduce the strain on your lower back. If your feet don't reach the floor when sitting, consider using a footrest. Another option to reduce the risks of prolonged sitting is to use a standing desk. Standing desks can help to improve circulation, reduce muscle tension and fatigue, and can also help to burn more calories compared to sitting. However, it is important to gradually increase standing time and alternate between sitting and standing throughout the day to avoid muscle strain. Finally, incorporating exercises and stretches into your daily routine can also help to reduce the risk of health problems associated with computer usage. Simple exercises such as shoulder rolls, neck stretches, and wrist stretches can be done at your desk and help to reduce muscle tension and improve flexibility. By following these tips, you can reduce the risk of back and neck pain, headaches, and poor posture while working on a computer. Remember to adjust your chair height, sit with your back straight, use a chair with good lumbar support, adjust your monitor height, position your keyboard and mouse correctly, take frequent breaks, and use a footrest if necessary. Thank you for watching, and stay healthy while working on your computer.